Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to make Notion trading journal. So if you want to get a head start and start creating a journal which is professional and also elaborates your trading aspects neatly and really in a nicely organized manner, then follow this step-by-step guide. First, what you're going to be doing here is you need to simply head over to your template section, since that is going to be giving you a head start. You can scroll down, you can see we have this featured template section, and once you click on these three dots, head over to explore more templates. You are going to be searching in here for trade, and once you do, sorry about the typo, we have trade, and you can see we have trade journal. We have multiple of them which are really handy. So you can see if you head over to crypto trades, if you want to go with that. If you want to go for stocks, you can search for stocks, and here you are going to be having this onto your section. Let me just add it really quickly. It is being added, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So we got multiple added. Let me just move this to trash. Okay, let's just open this one. You can see we have all of the trade names on the left side. We have our playbook and multiple other stuff as well, so you can easily get this done, and this is how you can make Notion trading journal. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.